I'm going to attempt to do an unboxing. The knife is only there to cover my address. But it came, and it's really cute. Because that's how it is. So we're going to unbox this and see what we can find. Well, I'll have to say it came very well insulated. With ice bags. I gotta get them out of here. One broke. So, voila. That's pastrami. And that was corned beef. There we go. And then, of course, their rye. Their cheese. And little cookies. Can you see them? And the sauerkraut, and I know one of these is half sour, and I think it's this one, and these are full sour, mustard, and Russian dressing. We're going to have pastrami, and believe it or not, a Rueben as well. So, my day just got better. And it even comes with instructions. So I gotta go read my instructions, and maybe I'll add what it looks like when I'm done. But that's all so far. And that was my unboxing of, I forgot what this was called. I think it's the birthday package. Funny, because it is for my mother's birthday. That's all. Have a great day.